We are making Lithuanian dumplings. In Lithuanian virtiniai. Virtiniai su bulvių koše. Bulvių koše mashed potatoes. Bulvių koše. Kočelas in Lithuanian. So now we roll, yeah? So if it's rolling like this, what we do? Flour. Yeah, just a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. You can hold it. Okay. So. Okay. More. Yeah, we turn another side, and we do again. Yeah, so we put nice amount of mashed potatoes. We do like this. So we have, yeah. Now we do this. One, two, three. If you do smaller ones, you can do as you want. Yeah, sizes you want, you see?
Okay.
So, like this. Okay. Okay. Like this. Now I do like this. Yeah. Aš darau virtinius. Virtinius, valgysim virtinius. And we do like this. How do you like this? Okay. What about if we put on hot coconut oil? You can dumplings to the water, and we are going to boil it for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes? Yeah.
Ačiū for the pronunciation, Manji.
I'm not sure.
Oh, they're not going to break. This is the process that I was waiting for.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we.
These are very fragile.
Baba,
These are very fragile.
how are Virtiniai Lithuanian dumplings?
It's tasty, nice and tasty. Yeah.
Wonderful. You enjoy?
Wonderful, yeah, I'm enjoying it.
How many did you eat?
I think about 6 of them.
It means you liked it.
Yes.
We are very happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The key is not doing well.
Did you like it?
As you can see,
It's empty.
it's empty.
How is it?
It was very good. I think I should have another one before I go back.
Okay. What- Are they the same like in Lithuania? Okay.
Just need some sour cream. Next time we'll bring some sour cream. You're going to be that.
How did you like dumplings?
Dumplings, they are all, I don't know how to explain, but it's perfect. Perfect. Excellent.
Wonderful. Thank you. Girls, how do you like dumplings?
Very fun. And these dumplings are just very delicious.
You don't like?
I love them.
You love them, but you don't eat. You
I
eat
do
very
eat.
slow. You eat very slow.
I'm used to eating slowly.
Okay. So,
I like the cheese taste.
okay.
I already finished mine, but it was, the flavors were just well combined. And I was scared that since it wasn't appetizing, since it wasn't fried, it wasn't going to taste nice, but